All right. Of course, iPhones are awesome. There's another coin. I don't know what that language is. It's like a girl making a sweater or making fabric. Let's see what this says. Hold on. Maldives Islands, 10 rupee, 3,000 minted, 25 grams, 0.925 fine silver. He paid $39 in 1981, the same month I was born. He had a grandson and got a new coin. All right, Republic of Maldives. It looks real shiny and nice to me, but I'm not a coin grader. So look at it good. A little speck there or something. I don't know why the edge would be dirty, but still pretty cool. Oh yeah, hold on, we're not scammers. Come on, iPhone, there we go. So we got into these coins tonight, and there you go.